What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today I was at Costco and I saw this nice little bundle right here. So let's take a look at it. Boom. I saw this little bundle at Costco and I was impressed with the All-Star bundle. So let's take a look at the Home Run Bundle. Like the All-Star bundle, the Home Run Bundle comes with 4 different peripherals. Let's take a look at this packaging and unbox this bundle. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and link for this product will be in the description below. So in front of the packaging, we have the name of the product and everything that comes with it. It comes with the Razer Kraken, the Razer Ornata V2, the Razer Gigantus V2, the large version, and the Razer DeathAdder V2. And that's kind of been like one of my dream mices growing up. So I'm pretty excited about opening that up and using it. On the back, we have the features of each peripheral. The Razer Kraken V3X, it is built out of a lightweight construction. It's only 285 grams. It is very lightweight, so when you're wearing it for those long gaming sessions, it shouldn't be uncomfortable. It has 2 40mm drivers, and they're the Triforce, so you know you're going to have excellent quality. And the Razer mic is claiming to be a hyper clear mic, which we'll be testing soon. The Razer Ornata V2 is a mechanical membrane hybrid technology, so you get the best of both worlds. Of course, you get your multifunction digital wheel and media keys, and a very plush ergonomical wrist rest. I like keyboards that have the wrist rests. And for the DeathAdder V2, it has the best in-class ergonomic shape, so it will be comfortable when you are using it, especially on those long game sessions. It will be comfortable. It has the Razer optical mouse switches, and the cable is the Speed Flex cable, so it should have minimum drag, so it will not get caught on stuff or hinder you. And of course, all these products are RGB, except for the mouse pad, which is just a nice cloth, high quality, anti-slip mouse pad. Alright, so let's unbox this guy in this mega unboxing. Incision here. Incision right here, and of course they have to be difficult and put one right here. Boom, boom, boom. Remove this right here and see what comes out first. An empty box. Let's see, what do we have here first? A twofer. So let's take a look at the Razer Kraken and the DeathAdder. Open that up, pop this, and take the DeathAdder out. Nothing else in there. So over here we have a card telling you that this is one of, if not the best products to use in gaming. We have a little user guide and stickers. And now the mouse. This is kind of like a dream come true for me, so it's honestly, it feels fantastic. It is very lightweight, and the cable is also very malleable, very lightweight. I don't see this getting caught up on anything, and it's a nice kind of cloth covering. It is really nice. Very clicky, back forward keys. Alright, I'm kind of excited to use this. And we got a profile button in here, so you can save your profiles on the mouse. So the next thing is the Kraken, and it has tape, so we have to cut the tape. Open it up. Take it out. We have here another note telling you how good the product is. It's a nice piece of paper, not gonna lie. Another quick starter guide dash manual. Let's see if we have any more stickers. And more stickers. A desiccant bag. Do not eat. Is not a tasty treat. Alright. Anything else on the bottom here? Nope. Put this to the side. And let's take this out. Let's take this out. And it is overall a very light headset. Very plushy. Feels very comfortable. Ear pads. We have the volume control here. A microphone mute. And it looks like it is a closed design, so if you put it on, you're not going to hear anything on the outside. And the bass should be pretty good on this. Should be. Nice, soft. And it feels pretty good. The cable, it's a nice plastic rubberized cable. Feels very high quality. And our USB. Boom. The next two things we're gonna unbox. We got our Gigantus over here. So let's open it. And they have this thing to not be sold separately. Just open it for me just fine. Take this out. This is a huge mouse pad, which feels really, really nice. Alright, so let's test the mouse pad with the DeathAdder. It feels pretty good, pretty good. But does it pass my trusty mouse test? Alright, this mouse feels pretty good on here. But the DeathAdder feels about the same, actually. Now, DeathAdder is a little bit lighter. This one's a little bit more bulkier, but I think this will be very fun to test out in a little bit. And lastly, the Razer Ornata V2. Boom, boom. Alright, what do we have here? Another letter talking about the quality of the membrane keyboard. A manual with more stickers! Because you know stickers increase your accuracy. Alright, so let's take it out. Nice braided cable. Let's take the wrist rest out. Well, gotta be gentle with it, I guess. Boom. Take it out. And this is super plush. This feels super comfortable. And it is magnetic. And I always end up breaking the little clips that attach to the wrist rest whenever I'm trying to clean it or move the keyboard during traveling. So this is awesome that it's magnetic. Boom. Alright. It's decently clicky, the keyboard. You know, you can definitely feel that it is a membrane, but it has the satisfying click of a mechanical. Got our little volume wheel here, controls. Alright, and the cable is pretty nice. It is a braided cable. Let's put this in the computer and test it out. See how good we game in this and how good the sound quality is from the headphones, from the speakers, and from the microphone. So let's do this. Now I'll do a little handoff where I'm going from my studio mic to the microphone from this headphones. And let's see how it sounds and how it performs. As you can see here, the Razer Synapse is installing, so hopefully we'll be able to game soon. We might have to do a little restart, so that's okay. Overall, I am impressed with this bundle. The mouse and keyboard are great. The headphones and the microphone quality is surprisingly good for a gaming headset, so that's awesome. And the value that this brings is phenomenal. And guys, remember, our giveaway is still going on for the Speedify router. In order to enter, all I need you guys to do is like and comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube. Go to my Instagram, follow me there, and comment and like on my most recent post. That will enter you into our giveaway. The details for this giveaway will be in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.